With storage autoscaling enabled, when RDS detects that you are running out of database space, it automatically scales up your storage. Autoscaling up the storage of a read replica does not affect that of the primary DB instance. Therefore, you can separately autoscale read replicas to meet service requirements. New storage space of read replicas after autoscaling up must be greater than or equal to that of the primary DB instance. You can enable storage autoscaling in either of the following ways. Enable this function when you create an instance. Enable this function after you create an instance. This video demonstrates how to configure storage autoscaling after an instance is created. Perform the following steps. Step 1. Click the target instance. Step 2. Configure storage autoscaling. Step 3. View the result. On the Instances page, click the target instance name to go to the Overview page. In the Storage and Backup area, toggle on the Storage Autoscaling switch. In the displayed dialog box, set the following parameters and click OK.